Good morning, students. Students, today I will discuss a new topic, that is relationship between addition and subtraction. Okay, so before I start this topic, let me remind you what is addition and what is subtraction. So, whenever we find out the total number, right, that is what addition, right? Suppose 2 apples are there, right? If I add one more apple, then total how many apples I have now? 3 apples, right? That is what addition. Okay, now what is subtraction? Whenever we find out the leftover things. Okay, now suppose 3 apples are there, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so if I remove or if I taken away 2 apples, okay, from 3, if I taken away 2 apples, then how many apples will left behind? 1, right? So that is what subtraction. Okay, now you know what, that there is a relationship between addition and subtraction. These two are interrelated. Okay, let me show you how. Now suppose from subtraction, okay, from the subtraction, how I can show that the answer is correct? Okay, by doing subtraction. So suppose 10, okay, I have to subtract 3 from 10. Okay, now we'll do subtraction. So 10 minus 3, answer will be what? See the ones place, 0 is there, right? So this 1, it will reduce by 1 and it will become 0, and this 0, it will become 10, right? Now 10 minus 3, 7, right? We can also do this one by simple subtraction, 10 minus 3. Okay, so in order to remind you the knowledge, okay, of regrouping, I just show you how we can borrow the numbers from the number that is placed before a number. Okay, now we got what? 7. Okay, now if I add this 7 with the lowest number of the question, so question is this one, 10 and 3 is there. Now which is the lowest one, the smallest one? 10 or 3? It is 3, right? So if I add these two, I will get the number, or I can say the greater number that is given in your question. Now 7 plus 3, it will be what? 10, and I got this number. I hope you have understood how these are related, right? One more example I will take. Suppose 23, okay, we have to subtract 23 with 7. Okay, now we'll do subtraction, 23 minus 7. Okay, we'll do regrouping because in ones place 3 is the smallest one, right? So this 2, it will reduce and it will become 1, and this 3, it will become what? 13, right? Now 13 minus 7, it will be how much? 6, right? Now this one, we can write it like this, right? Now we'll check our answer is correct or not. Okay, how we can do the checking? If I add 16 and 7, because 7 is the lowest one, the smallest one, right? So if I add these two, I should get 23. If I get 23, then my answer is correct. Okay, now we'll do addition. So 16 plus 7, 7 plus 6, it will be how much? 13. 3 and 1, it goes there. 1 plus 1, it will be 2. See, I got this number 23. So it shows what? It shows that my answer is correct. Okay, like this only we can check our subtraction. Okay, now we'll do some questions that are given in your book. So see exercise 8, page number 178. Here, first of all, we have to do subtraction, then we have to check whether our subtraction is correct or not. Okay, okay students, now see the first one. So here we have to check our subtraction by using addition. Okay, so first of all we'll do what? Subtraction. So see, in ones place 8 and 3 is there. So 8 minus 3, it will be how much? 5, right? 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So our difference is what? 5. Right? Now we'll check whether our answer is correct or not. Okay, how can we check this one? So we'll take our difference, that is 5, and I will write it here. Okay, one thing I can do, I will write here. Okay, check. So first of all I will write the difference. So my difference is 0, 5. Now I will take the smaller number or the smallest number. So among these two, 18 and 13, which one is the smallest number? 13 is the smallest one, right? So I will write here 13. And according to the relationship, okay, according to the checking, okay, we'll get out, that means after adding these two, we'll get the greater number. Okay, greater number is what? 18. Okay, so if we get 18, that means our answer is correct. Okay, so 5 plus 3, it will be how much? 8. 0 plus 1, it will be how much? 1. See, we get 18, right? So that means what? That our answer is correct. Okay, so how we can check our subtraction? So first of all we'll write the difference. Then we'll add our difference with the smallest number. So we'll add with the smallest number that is given in your question. Okay, and the answer will get the greatest number. Okay, this is how we can check our subtraction by using addition. Okay, okay, now see the B part. So 76 minus 4, so see the ones place value, 6 and 4 is there. So 6 minus 4, it will be how much? 2, right? Now 7, it will comes down here. Now we'll write this 72 here and we'll add 72 with 4 because 4 is the smallest one. So 4 plus 2, it will be how much? 6, and this 7, it will become 76, right? So I got this number, so my answer is what? Correct. Okay, now see the C part. So 3 minus 1, it will be how much? 4. 3 plus 1, it will be how much? 6. 3 plus 2, it will be how much? 8. 8 plus 1, it will be how much? 16. 16 plus 2, it will be how much? 24. 24 plus 1, it will be how much? 26. 26 plus 2, it will be how much? 28. 28 plus 1, it will be how much? 29. 29 plus 2, it will be how much? 30. 30 plus 1, it will be how much? 31. 31 plus 2, it will be how much? 33. 33 plus 4, it will be how much? 35. 35 plus 2, it will be how much? 37. 37 plus 1, it will be how much? 38. 38 plus 2, it will be how much? 39. 39 plus 2, it will be how much? 40. 40 plus 1, it will be how much? 41. 41 plus 2, it will be how much? 42. 42 plus 1, it will be how much? 43. 43 plus 2, it will be how much? 44. 44 plus 1, it will be how much? 45. 45 plus 2, it will be how much? 46. 46 plus 2. 6 minus 3, it will be how much? 3, right? So now I will write 32 and I will add 32 with 31 because 31 is the smallest one. Okay, among these two numbers 31 is the smallest one, that's why I take 31. Now 1 plus 2 plus 1, it will be how much? 3, and this 3 plus 3, it will be how much? 6. So 63, I got this one. So my answer is what? Correct. Okay, like this only you have to do the rest of it. So D, E and F, you will do these three, okay, in your maths classwork copy. Okay.